Hello everyone, this is Jagannathan from NCC Urban Infrastructure Limited. I am taking care of marketing, sales and operations for Chennai residential projects. It is a prodigious pleasure to connect with you all. About our company NCC Urban Infrastructure Limited, it is a subsidiary of NCC Limited, Nagarjuna Constructions Company Limited. Generally we do roads, bridges, oil and gases, water and mining, irrigations, railways, building and housing, mining, powers and international projects. So we are a top leading company in India with annual turnover of 12,000 plus crores, and we are more than 40 years of construction expertise company. And we are an ISO 9001, 14001 and OSAS 18001 certified company. So NCC Urban Infrastructure Limited, so we are into real estate category. Generally we do residential and commercial, SEZs project, township, serviced apartment projects. We do pan-India operations at Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Kochi, Vizag, Guntur, Ranchi and Dubai. So far we have delivered more than 5.2 million square foot across India. We have more than 5,200 happiest customer, and we have completed more than 30 projects. We have acquired lands in and around Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Goa, Gurgaon, Kakinad, Lucknow, Raipur, Ranchi and Vizag for the real estates. And we planning to deliver more than 12.8 million square foot spread across 286 acres in next 3 years. And NCC Urban, we developing prestigious national gaming housing complex project in Ranchi and Jharkhand. Our current projects we having in Chennai, we have four projects in Chennai. So one we handed over at Kilkatlai. So other projects we have two integrated township. One we gonna to start at OMR and other one we gonna to start at Radial Road. And other luxurious special building project we already started at Abhiramapuram. The USPs of our pan-India's projects, the first one is location. See, always our project location will speak. Second one, quality. So quality, we always use material like qualified materials, and since we are from construction background, we will have our own contractors. And third one is service. So whatever customers they coming with their problem, our intention not to tell no or not to deny their problem. We always try to understand their problem and always think how we can solve the customer issues. And always we will try to explain the customers, and we always focus how we can solve the customer's issue. And fourth one, safe work environment and affordable price and on-time delivery. So these are the USPs of our projects. And our vision and mission of our company. See, vision, we how we want to see our company in future. See, we want to be a world-class infrastructure company committed to quality, on-time delivery, customer satisfaction and continuous learning and enhancement of stakeholders' value. Our mission, our company goal to encourage innovatives, professional integrity, upgradable of knowledge and employee skills and safe work environment. And we want to be a responsible corporate citizen committing to the social causes. And our quality policy, we want to achieve customer satisfaction by delivering the quality product on time and safe work environment. during this pandemic COVID, we had very bitter experience with our existing project. So during that COVID period, we handed over our first project, and customers started to occupy it, and we started our maintenance also. So during this pandemic COVID, so we requested our existing customer to stop, all interior works, moving in and moving out, and we also stopped, construction related works, and they coordinated in such a way. And our facility management team, they stayed inside the community, and they coordinated with the customer, like they arranged all daily essential needs, and they delivered to the customer doorsteps, and they also very satisfied with our facility maintenance service post handing over. And customers nowadays, they're showing interest on the healthy living and wellness and greenery concept. Greenery concept in the sense like a solar panel, rainwater harvesting, waste management, and high efficiency lighting, and more open space, 3-side ventilations. So this integrate, so these aspects they can get in the integrated township. This integrated township, they gonna to create the demand in real estate in upcoming years, and it is gonna to increase the sales rate in real estate in upcoming years 2022. So my dear buyers, see, this is the right opportunities for buying your dream home with quality at affordable price for your investment and living purpose, because this is the right time, since it is connected to lots of sentiments and festivals. So please do take decision before some others decides on it. And Chennai Properties. So Chennai Properties, we already experienced with the Chennai Properties. They are Limelight online portal company at Chennai. So they delivered qualified leads to our projects, like need and which have need and ability. The lead should have need and ability to buy the project. So they generated qualified leads for the right location for the right projects. So I wishes Chennai Properties, since they are Limelight online portal company at Chennai. Now they stepping into, they are emerging into digital campaign and branding. So I wish them the very best for their business in upcoming years. And I would like to thank Chennai Properties to giving an opportunity to connect with you all. Thank you.